What's up guys, Jose here. In today's video I'm going to be installing a turbo in my 2014 Honda Accord. This turbo is really simple. It's from Tuner Colt. Usually a turbo will go in here. This turbo gets installed through the inside. So the turbo, you go in through here. It's really simple, ready? Now my car makes 500. Nah, just kidding guys. This is the Tuner Colt air freshener ice scent. Usually get the trees, but I saw this on the website and I was like, might as well make a video with it. It turns out by just buying this little air freshener, I got entered to win the Huracan they're giving away.